Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel United Traveler, and today I'm going to unbox my GOPRO09 Black, which I bought 2 days ago. And in the evening yesterday I received it, and which cost me around $540 because I bought it from the holiday sale at the GoPro website. I researched earlier from the retailer shop as well, but it was costing me around $700 with this thing. So I did not choose that option, and I prefer to go to website to buy it. And so let's open this beautiful gift, and I'll tell you the reason behind buying it. It is better to disclose it while unboxing it. So guys, let's open it. Packing is so good because it's electronic. This is bill. This is a bill copy, and you could see that they have mentioned, the bill to and ship to, and what is my order number and delivery date. Which would be helpful for me if there is any problem in this equipment. So let's keep aside. Later on, and now you could see a brand new GoPro. Hope you like it, and this one also. So this is the special thing which I received, and let's open it now, because this is, as you could see, this is a bundle. So this is a bundle, so which includes all the accessories which for the supporting of GoPro. And this is my GoPro. Now this is what I was talking about. This is a magnetic, the wheel, which really help us to stick GoPro in a one direction. And this is 2 battery, which I never thought that I will receive, but I luckily received it. They told me that they will not send any extra battery or spare battery, but finally I've received it. That's the good thing. Then this is the handler, which is very beautiful, and you can easily move your hands with it. So it is pretty much flexible. I can easily move it. So this is one. A second thing is the magnetic reels, which really helped me in fixing the GoPro at one particular point. This is all related with this. And now the final, and this one is my GoPro. So the good thing about the GoPro subscription, there are few facilities which are given to me, that I can storage in the cloud system as much as I can. The second is that they will not ask me any questions about the camera replacement. They can replace easily. The second thing is that I'll get a 50% discount on the other accessories. Finally, I switched on GoPro 9, and now you can see in the screen as well. It has a very unique quality, because it has a 2 screen, and which would be helpful for me in making vlogs, and which was not available in the previous version. So just downloading GoPro app in my phone, so that I can control GoPro from my phone as well. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, like and comment for the upcoming video, which will be shooted from the GoPro09 Black. So let's tune with me and subscribe me. And if you want to give any suggestions, you can give me through commenting. So please do comment, like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.